In this video, I'll be showing you how you can turn on your developer option on your Samsung Galaxy A17 settings. Very simple. So now let's open our settings here. And if you are new here, you give me a like, subscribe to my channel. So when you hop on settings like this, scroll to the bottom. Good. I've turned my on here, but I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So you move to your about phone here. Good. About phone, let's scroll to the top and then we move to software information. Good. And then you can see the build number. Tap it multiple times. I think it's 8 to 7 times. You can see no need to tap because my developer mode is already enabled. So on here, that's when you get access to a lot of settings that's going to even help you extend your battery life here. That's why people normally turn it on. Yeah, but then turning it off, I'm going to make another video to cover that. I'm going to make research on that. So that's it on how you turn on your developer option on your Samsung Galaxy A17 settings. If you are new here, just give me a like, subscribe to the channel. That's it for the video. Peace.